Hi everyone and welcome back to our series on postpartum hair loss. My name is Clare Devereux. So today I'm going to be talking about the impact of stress on postpartum hair loss. So if you're watching this and you're a new mom, you already know that having a new baby can be very stressful. It has those moments. And then on top of that, you're looking at your hair, it's coming out more every day. You feel like your hair's got thinner and it's shedding a lot, and that can really add to the stress. And unfortunately, stress really plays a huge part in hair loss because your cortisol levels go up. And what happens then is that your hair tends to shed much faster because it goes into that shedding phase. So you're kind of adding more stress to your postpartum hair loss and adding to the hair loss. So I'm going to be talking about a few tips and tricks today that will help you to try and keep you calmer, get your stress levels down, and hopefully slow down that hair loss. Try incorporating a few stress busting rituals into your day. Now, that might sound hard, but it only takes a few minutes, and meditation is one of the best things for reducing those cortisol levels. Also, deep breathing. To take a couple of deep breaths really helps. When you're feeling really stressed, if you just take that deep breath in, hold for 5, and then breathe out again and hold for 5 seconds. If you even do that 3 times, it's a great reset. And with a new baby, sometimes you need to do that a few times a day. Getting outdoors is a great way to relieve stress. Taking the baby for a walk, bringing out the pram, and going for even a 10-15 minute walk really can bring you back to yourself. Listen to some music. It's a great way to relax and kind of give you some me time. And usually a baby likes to be outdoors too. They usually are a lot calmer. They like looking around, or if they're very, very small, they also will sleep sometimes when you're out, and bring them out for a walk in the pram. So you kind of win-win. You get to lower that stress level. You get a little breather, a little bit of time for yourself. Listen to a podcast. Do something in that time that makes you happy. And again, that's a great way to reduce your stress levels. A great way to relieve stress and to help with your hair loss is to take some time to yourself. Now, I know it's hard when you have a new baby, but sometimes you need to ask people to help you out a little bit, just so you can take that nice relaxing bath, light a few candles, listen to some nice music, or even better, to be able to go and get a massage, because that hour to yourself really will help you, even if it's once a week or once a month, but a little bit of self-care every day. So what that means is just taking 10 minutes to yourself, that you get that time just to think, just to listen to music, read a book, read a magazine, have a cup of tea. Whatever makes you feel good is going to always result in you looking good and feeling better. Sleep is the best thing for your hair, for your skin, for those stress levels, because when you're very stressed and when you're also deprived of sleep, it makes everything worse. We all know that. But it's very hard as a new mom, as a new parent, to really get those hours, like 8 or 9 hours or 7 or 8 hours sleep. It's kind of crazy to even say that to a new mom, right? And I know that myself. But if you can get even one night clear of sleep, where maybe you swap with someone who they're getting up for feeds, and you can work it out that way, and you just even get even 5 hours of unbroken sleep, you are going to feel like a new person. And honestly, your stress levels are going to come way down, which means your cortisol levels are going to come way down. And that is good news for your hair and for your hair loss. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, looking after yourself and reducing your stress levels really helps to promote healthy hair growth, and a healthy scalp. Thanks so much for watching. For more information, go over to our website at Hair Health Essentials, and you can follow us on Instagram as well. And stay tuned for more in our series of postpartum hair loss.